Good morning, my crafty friends. This is Laurie, Girl on the Ridge, with a quick tutorial. I posted these pictures last night, and some girls from Sophie's Notes asked for a tutorial. Morning, girls, and Junk Journal chat group. So these are nothing new. It's just a folded over piece of paper with some layering. So maybe this will help the people that are just starting. Maybe some of the girls that are having trouble with layering. I just took a couple things. You need 2 pieces of coffee dyed paper, some cheesecloth, maybe some sari silk or some seam binding or any kind of ribbon, and some ink. First thing we're going to do is just fold the paper in 3s and rip it. I just happen to I've had this for about a year, never used it. I see some of the girls using it, so I decided to dig it out again. To cut it in 3s, it doesn't have to be even or anything. And then you're going to be left over with a little strip for envelopes, the little tiny envelopes. And then when I do that, and that. So there's your fold. So in the envelopes, I'll do one quick in case you missed that tutorial. It's actually little tiny piece of scrap paper, fold it up, and I do have a tutorial on this for, I think they're envelope paper clips, and that's it. And then you can ink it up and stamp it. So that's the easy part. Now what I did is I prepared everything, and we'll get them over here. I already put the cheesecloth on. I didn't put the pictures on. Okay. So you layer it with cheesecloth after you ink it all up. I took 2, some I took 1 of the envelopes, and you just kind of place them. I always kind of place them kitty corner or crooked. Put the picture on. I already did some little bows with these are sari silk bows, and that's number 1. So again, just minimal stuff on your desk. 2 pieces of paper, some trim. We'll put the card there. We'll put this tiny little one here. Now these pictures I took, I got them either off Pinterest or Tsunami Rose, and shrunk them down to the smallest I could, which on my printer is like a contact sheet. So they're real small. I don't know, there's so many printers that are all so different. And that's the second one. I'll put a big one there. And a little picture. In the bowl. And then I will add some, I like my little buttons. And I just, again, girls, don't overthink it. You'll go nuts. And I do find if I clean my desk off, I can start fresh. But that is a problem. Just put a bigger one up here. Glue all over. And we'll just stick it down there. So there's those 3. And then I just take, I do have vintage style, so I just kind of randomly, that, maybe one on the bottom. And we'll put that right there. Now what you could do with these, you can put them in your book, or I have these awesome bags from a Tattered Dream, and they make great little toppers for a decorated bag. Some bags, those are so cute. Some bags I made out of wrapping paper. I would ink up the bag though. So you can do them on bags. I mean, you could, and pockets. I'm sure, like even in the book, you could probably clip it on a page pocket, even with a paper clip. How cute that is. This is also trimmed from a Tattered Dream. So those are the little things that you could do with just a couple items. And I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment, ask a question. I would be happy to get back to you. Sometimes not always quick, but I will try. And I think that's it for now. So I will see you soon. Have a happy Friday and talk to you soon. Bye.